Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This video is all about food. I'm a hostler and a lot of my friends are also hostlers. So when we talk about hostels, one thing that comes up a lot of times is the mess food. And apparently not a lot of people enjoy their hostel mess food. And due to that thing, they usually skip their meals. I'm someone who believes that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and because it gives me the boost of energy, it gives me a better feeling about the day. And even if I don't get a chance to have any of the other meals, even if I have to skip my lunch for some reason or maybe dinner for some reason, still I tend to get through the day with ease just because I've had a good breakfast. So I'm someone who rarely skips my breakfast. So today in this video, I'm gonna share with you all 4 different recipes that are very easy to make. So while making this video, I have kept a few things in my mind. Number 1, the recipes should be very easy and quick to make. Number 2, there should be the least amount of ingredients used. Number 3, of course it should be tasty. It's the whole point of this video, right? And number 4, it should be nutritious. So wait till the last one, because last one is the most favorite one of mine and I think you would also enjoy it. So if you want to know what these 4 breakfast alternates are, keep watching the video and I'll see you soon.
At number 4, we have whole wheat bread with peanut butter. For this you would need a few slices of whole wheat bread and peanut butter. Now along with that, you can also add a few fruits like watermelon, banana or oranges or grapes. I get boiled eggs every day in my hostel mess, so I take those too. Now why I have kept it at number 4 is because the wheat bread is not completely made up of wheat. It is having 65% of wheat. So do check the ingredients list before you buy wheat bread, because different brands have different constituents. And also the peanut butter is having sugar in it. So that's why it is not a very clean and nutritious breakfast, but yes, it is one of the quickest recipes for breakfast that you can have. On the 3rd position, we have besan ka chila. Now of course it would require some cooking, but do not be negative about this recipe because I'm gonna give you the easiest recipe possible. For this you would need some besan, then add some water into it. Add water little by little, do not add all the water at once. Then mix it. Add more water if you need. Mix very well so that there won't be lumps in it. Then look at the consistency. It should be this much runny, neither too thick nor too liquidy. Now add some salt. Mix it. And some pepper. If you don't have pepper, then it's okay, but I like pepper in it. Now I know that all the hostlers, at least most of the hostlers, have a way out for cooking, so do not back off just because it includes cooking, because I know that you all make and eat Maggi. So keep up with the recipe because we can do this. On a non-stick pan, you do not require any oil, so just pour in the batter into it. But if it's not a non-stick pan, then you have to pour some oil before that, otherwise it would not come off. Now with a spoon you have to spread the batter. In about a minute or so, flip the chila. Take it out on a plate once it is cooked. Now you can have it with peanut butter or a sauce, but I like to eat it just like that or with peanut butter. And here I have added a few fruits, some nuts and 2 boiled eggs. If you feel that it is too bland for you, then you can also add some chopped onions or tomatoes while cooking the chila. On second position we have sprouts, and I know that a lot of people enjoy eating sprouts. So what you have to do is just soak some moong dal in water a day before you want to eat sprouts. So put in some moong dal into a container, rinse it well and then add some water into it. Then in the morning you are gonna find them sprouted. I generally use only salt and pepper in this recipe, but you can also add some onions, tomatoes, or you can even squeeze a lemon into it just to enhance its taste. Now mix it up very well. And yes, the recipe is ready that I enjoy to eat in the morning. Now to make it more filling, I have added some fruits and 2 boiled eggs. The recipe on number 1 position is unsalted, unsweetened oats with basil seeds. For this you would need some oats and some water and of course the basil seeds. First you have to add the basil seeds into a container and put some water into it. You have to basically soak them. Now because I soaked them just for a minute, that's why they are just this swollen, but if you would soak them for around 5 minutes, then it would be more swollen and more gooey, and its texture is something that I really enjoy to eat. Now add some oats into it. I always use water, warm water, but you can also use milk to make it. Now you can also add some sugar or maybe salt to enhance the taste as per your requirements, but I enjoy it just like this. Then mix it up very well with the basil seeds. I always have fruits and 2 boiled eggs with it, and sometimes I also eat some curd with it. So this is how my most favorite breakfast looks like, which is very tasty, very filling, very healthy and very quick to make. Now the breakfast recipes are all over, but I had to mention this beautiful category of nuts and dry fruits into this video because they are very good for our health. It is having unsaturated fats, omega-3 fats, magnesium, calcium, iron, antioxidants and what not, and they help for a lot of ailments too. So I have nuts each and every day, and I would tell you and remind you all to have nuts also because they are very, very important for health. And do remember that do not consume them in excess amount because of course guys, anything in excess is harmful for us. So have them in limited amounts, but do have them every day. Here I have taken a few walnuts, almonds, cashews and anjeer. Anjeer is called adgar in English, and apart from this you can also have a few raisins, pistachios also, and of course today we have a lot of seeds in our market, so you can have seeds also with these nuts. In the recipe positioned at number 1, we had basil seeds, which is basically tulsi seeds. Just like that, you can also have pumpkin seeds or chia seeds and all of those things which are readily available in market right now.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope that next time whenever you would feel like skipping your breakfast, you won't do that and try any of these recipes, because it's really important to have a good breakfast, right? And I do not want any one of you to go to your work, college or school with an empty stomach. So I'll see you in my next one now. Till then, take care. Bye bye.